ಅಪ್ಪ ಬೆಳೆ ಕೊಡು
ಯಾಕೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದ್ರ ಎಲ್ಲಾರು? ನೆನ್ನೆ ಹೇಳಿದೀವಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲಾರ್ಗುನು. Varun?
Okay. Yes, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Right.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, Prajwal.
Morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Sanjana.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Yes, we'll start the session.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Today's topic, it is straight line. Very important one, because you can expect 100% one question from this part. Right? You can see here in 2014, one question. One question in 2014, 2015, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20, we can expect minimum one from this part. Right. Okay. Let me start with first problem. Whenever necessary, I'll go back and I'll revise some of the concepts. Okay. Right. X divides the line segment joining the 2 comma minus 3, 5 comma 2 in the ratio. Yes. You can answer this question. Very easy one. Yeah. X divides the line segment joining 2 comma minus 3 and 5 comma 2 in the ratio. Yes. Yashas is telling that it is option B is the answer. Okay. Let me check. Right. Yes. Now I'll discuss with you, all of you, that the first thing is that it is ratio. Okay. First, we will discuss all type of ratio problems. Let me take x-axis and y-axis here. This is x-axis and y-axis. Where is this point? 2 comma minus 3. 1, 2 comma minus 3. This is what the point, 2 comma minus 3. Let me call this as point A. 2 comma minus 3. Okay. And 5 comma 2. 3, 4, 5 comma 2. This is 5 comma 2. Okay. Now, if x-axis divides the line segment, let me join these 2 points in the straight line. Yes. Join this using a straight line. Now you have to find x-axis divides here. You have to find m is to n. Since this is a first point, I have taken it as A and this as B. This must be m. Okay. Let me call this as B. Now I have to find out this m and n. M is to n. To get that, I'll tell you one easy shortcut. It is very easy. When they ask you to find out x-axis divides the line segment, the ratio when the x-axis divides the line segment, then minus bracket by bracket. You write down like this. If they say x-axis, then you have to take the y coordinate. What is the y coordinate of the first point? What is that? -3, right? And what is y coordinate of the second point? It is 2. Answer is 3 is to 2. That's it. That is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 we can write it as 3 is to 2. Option B is the right answer. Remember this. If it is x-axis, you can see here, this length is greater, m is greater, right? The length is greater, that is 3, and n is very smaller. If you see here, the answer is 3 is to 2. And one more thing, if I extend this line here, like this, if I extend this line, yeah, let me, it's okay. If I extend this, see here, this AB line segment divides y-axis externally. So I have to get negative value for that, right? So let me calculate that. I have to get the negative value minus bracket by bracket, right? Minus bracket by bracket. What is that x value? Sorry, the value. You need to take the, since it is y-axis, you need to take the x coordinates, that is 2 and 5. Minus 2 is to 5. For here it is 2. From here to here it is 5. Minus 2 is to 5 externally, right? So the answer is for the y-axis. Y-axis. This is for y-axis. Which is external. You can see here minus 2 is to 5. Right? These are the two cases. Let me go through. Yes. And the second case, let me go to second problem. Yeah, concentrate here. Yeah. The point 8, 4 divides the line segment joining 5, -2. Niyati is asking that it is -5 by 2. So if we take, okay. No, whatever the point they have given as the first, you need to take that coordinate in the numerator. Yeah. Let's move on to the next question number 2. The point 8, 4 divides the line segment joining 5, -2, 9, 6 in the ratio. Yeah. So there is a line now. Let me take a line. Its one end is 5, -2. Another end is 9, 6. Okay. Now, what is this point which divides the line joining the points? 8, 4. 8, 4. Okay. Now, you have to calculate the ratio here. To get that ratio, I'll tell you, the ratio is nothing but the distance between those 2 points is ratio, right? Okay. And if you are very interested in calculating the ratio, just do like this. 8 minus 5. What is that? 3. What is 9 minus 8? 1. 3:1. Option B is the right answer. That's it. Don't go for applying internal section formula. That will consume more time. Right? So it's very easy. 8 minus 5 divided by 9 minus 8. Or you can take from this side also 5 minus 8, which is minus 3, 8 minus 9, that is minus 1. Then also you will get the same ratio as 3:1. Got it? ಯಾವಾಗ ಎರಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಲೈನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅವಾಗ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ. Yeah, yes, Megha. We can take y coordinate also, no problem. Let me show you that way also. 4 minus here, 4 minus of minus 2 divided by 6 minus 4, 6 by 2, here 3 by 1. Is that right? You can take y coordinate also, no problem in that. Right. I think all of you got the idea about ratio. ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಎರಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಲೈನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ವೈ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಟ್ ನ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಅದೇ ಎರಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಲೈನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಟ್ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕೇಸ್ ಉಳ್ಕೋತೀಗ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದೇ ಒಂದು ದ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಟ್ ಮೀ ಟೇಕ್ ದ same type of problem here. Yes. Question number 12. If okay, line joining these 2 points, if it divides by the line, another line, what is the equation of the line? It is 3x plus 4y is equal to 7. Right? 3x plus 4y is equal to 7. Then we have to find this ratio, m is to m. To find out this ratio, I'll tell you one more technique. Just write down minus bracket by bracket. ಯಾಕೆ ಈ ತರ ಬರೀತೀವಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಬೈ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್? ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಅದೇನೆ, ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಅದೇನೆ. ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ಬೈ ಬಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೈ ಐ ಆಮ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಬೈ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ that you write the equation of a line, but don't write any x and y coordinates. Okay. Like this. Take the equation of a line, but don't write any x and y. And replace that x value by 1 and y value by 2 in the numerator. You need to substitute the first point only. Okay. And here the second point. Now, minus 8. This is 3. 11 minus 7. 4. Divided by minus 6 plus 4. Minus 2. Minus 2 minus 9. Answer is 4:9. So this completes all the types of ratio problems. Is there any problem which you are finding the ratio in any other way? I don't think so. So point and if the line joining the 2 points, if we divide by x-axis, y-axis, and another line, and then a point, I think all the types of ratio problems are over here, right? Yes. Let me move on to the next problem. Yes. Find out this. The area of the triangle with vertices minus 4 comma minus 1, 1 comma 2, 4 comma minus 3 is ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ 30 ಮತ್ತು 31st ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ CET ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಇರೋದು ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. DCM ಇಂದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಷನ್ನ ನೀವು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. There is no confusion that the exam will postpone. Exactly 30 and 31st we have CET exams, right? The area of the triangle with vertices. Find out the area. Yes, option C. Yes. Okay. Let me check. I'll tell you one more method. I think if you know this technique, that is good. I think all of you are calculating using determinant also. This you have studied in determinant, finding the area when the 3 points are given, right? So I'll tell you one more method. So just write down the first point and second point and third point like this, and repeat the first point again, minus 4 comma minus 1. Just repeat one more time. And remember, don't forget to write half here. So half of minus 4 into 2, that is minus 8. 1 into minus 1. 1 into minus 1. It is plus 1. When it is downwards, write as it is. When it is upwards, multiply and change the sign. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. Change the sign, you will get plus 1. And 1 into minus 3, minus 3. And 4 twos are 8. Minus 8. Minus 4 and minus 12. Minus, yeah, all are negative, only this one is positive. Okay. Minus 12, minus 4, minus 16, minus 16, minus 16, minus 32, minus 32, minus 3, minus 35, plus 1 is minus 34. Answer is 17. Actually minus 17, but we have to take positive 17 because area is always positive, right? So this technique, what I have suggested now, this technique you can apply for any number of points. That is, you can find out the area of a quadrilateral also. You can find out area of a quadrilateral. That is what we don't have actually to find the area. Okay. Right. Let's move on to next question. Yeah. Find out area of a quadrilateral. Try to find out area of a quadrilateral. Yes, what is the answer for question number 13? You need to write the points one by one. For a quadrilateral, you used to take like this, right? Find out this area and this area separately and add these two. This is what the procedure you have followed in your earlier classes, that is in, I think, high school and first PUC. So I'll suggest not to go for this method. Write down all the points one by one and calculate. The similar method. Go down and come upwards with a change in the sign. Yeah. One is saying that it is option B is the answer. Okay. Someone says it is option C. One more option is left out. Okay. I think many of them are got the answer. What you have solved, it is wrong. I'll tell you why. If you solve this using this method, I'll tell you what is that reason, how to take the points here. Okay. ಹೇಗೆ ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ನ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈ ಥರ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಬರೆಯೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏರಿಯಾ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay. The first point, let me call it as A. -2, -3, B. 2, 1. 2, 1. Point C. And -2, -1. -1. Point D. See here, if you write here first point ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1, 2 ಅಂತ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ -2, -3 ಇದು ಈ ಥರ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀತೀರೋ ಆ ಥರ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದು. 2, 1. And if you write D, that is -2, -1. Then A, you have to write A again because it has to close, right? And this is not a quadrilateral. If you write like this, this is wrong. Because you are finding the area of this diagram. This is not a quadrilateral. So I will suggest you to find out the area using this technique. That is A, 1, 2. -2, -3. No, I think you have to take C. What is C here? 2, 1. And then you have to go for B, option B. -2, -3. -2, -1. Then 1, 2. You calculate this now, you will get a proper result. A is equal to 1 ones are 1, -4, -6, +2, +2 again, -6, -4, +1. 4 and 4 get cancelled. -6 is -12, -12, -4. 1, 4, -6, 2, +2, -6, -4, +1. Correct. -12, -12, -4, -16 +2, -16 +2, 14. See here. Answer is 7. If we take A, D, B, C, then also it is okay. No problem with that. You will get the same answer as 7. A, D, B, C. But that has to be completely a closed figure. Then only you will get the proper answer. Otherwise, you will get other values that will matches with the other options. You may lose the marks. Okay. Right. Let me go back to the previous problem. Yes. The fourth vertex of the rectangle. The fourth vertex of the rectangle whose other vertices are the fourth vertex of the rectangle whose other vertices are 4, 1, 7, 4, 13, minus 2. Yes, try this question. Yes, Harsha is telling that option A is the answer. Okay. I'll tell you how to calculate the fourth vertex of a rectangle. Yeah, if this is a rectangle, 4, 1, 7, 4, 13, minus 2, these are the 3 points. And to get the fourth point, you need to take this 4, subtract this 7, then add 13. You will get the x coordinate of the fourth point. I repeat, 4 minus 7 plus 13. That will give you the fourth vertex. 1 minus 4 plus minus, you have to subtract 4 and add to minus 2 here. The answer is 6 plus 4, 10, minus 5. 10, minus 5, option A is the right answer. You are right. Yes, Pallavi, you can do in that method also, but it may not work at all the time. I think this is the better way to doing the problem. That must lies in between fourth quadrant. If more than one options are, if it lies on the fourth quadrant, then you may be disturbed with that options. Yeah. Okay. Right. First point minus second point plus third point. X coordinate of that. First minus second plus third. That will give you the fourth point. Yeah, minus 2 we have to add. 1 minus 4, that is y coordinate. If they give you any 3 points, you can find out the fourth point. No problem. It may be anything. Now you can check it out. 7 minus 13 plus 10. That is minus 3. 7 minus 3, 4. See here. We'll get the first point. Okay. Next problem. Orthocenter. Yes, you have to take them in order. They will give you in order only. Okay. Question number 5. The orthocenter of the triangle with vertices 2, 3, 2, 5 and 4, 3. No, option A is not the answer. Orthocenter is the point of intersection of altitudes of the triangle. Yes, I'll tell you one technique. 2, 3, 2, 5 and 4, 3. These are the 3 points, right? Okay. So orthocenter of the triangle with vertices 2, 3, 2, 5 and 4, 3. To get the orthocenter, check out what is the point which is common. First point and second point, what is that coordinate which is equal? ಯಾವ coordinate same ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನೋಡಿ 2 ಅಲ್ವಾ correct exactly 2 is you cancel that 2 okay then you take the second point and third point. What is the common coordinate you have? No such coordinates are there, correct? Now you think of third coordinate and the first. What is that common coordinate you have? That is 3. After cancelling all these, the point which you cancelled both, that is the answer. Right? Got it? Yes. One problem is there for the which is asked in Karnataka CET 2009. Yeah, 2007, sorry. Please do this problem. Yes, very good. 0, 0 cancelled, and this 0 and this 0 cancelled. Okay, right. Let me move on to the next problem. Centroid, sorry, circumcenter. Question number 6. The circumcenter of the triangle formed by 3, 2, 3, -2, -5, 2 is No, Yeshu and Varun, it is not option A because they are asked you to find out circumcenter, not orthocenter. Yeah, let me find out all that. I tell you the technique again. 3, 3 cancelled, right? This 2 and this 2 cancelled. The point which you cancelled both is called orthocenter. Now you have to calculate circumcenter. To get circumcenter, you take midpoint of these two. What is midpoint of 3, minus 2 and minus 5, 2? Three minus 5. Minus 2 divided by 2, minus 1. Yes, option B is the right answer. Okay. Now you can take any 2 points, but the remaining 2 points. After cancellation of both, that will be orthocenter. And if you take the remaining 2, so this type of problem you can solve it. Yeah, this is holds good for all the right angle triangle. This technique is this technique holds good for all the right angle triangles. Next. Question number 7. The centroid and 2 vertices of a triangle are 1, 1, 4, 1, 1, minus 2. Then area of the triangle is. First, let me calculate the centroid. This is centroid, right? Okay, this is centroid. So let me draw a triangle here. Okay. Now this is 1, 1. Sorry, this is centroid. I cannot take this as here. Let me take the centroid here as 1, 1. And other 2 points are 4, 1 and 1, minus 2 like this here. And we don't know this point. They have not given. They have given only 2 vertices of the triangle. And this 1, 1 as centroid. Then the area of the triangle is, see here, I have to join like this. These 3 area will be equal always. If I say this as A1, A2, A3, these 3 area will be equal because this is a centroid. Okay. And how to get the answer? If you know any one result, then you can take the 3 times of that total area. Right? Okay. Let me calculate A2. Area A2, half of 1, 1, 4, 1, 1 minus 2. You don't think of any order here because when it is a triangle, you can take any way. Yeah. Half of it is 1 minus 4 minus 8 minus 1, 1 plus 1 plus 2. So minus 12 minus 10 minus 10 minus 10 plus 1, it is 9. 9 by 2 is the answer. This is 9 by 2 and this is also 9 by 2. This is also 9 by 2. What is the total area? It is 27 by 2. Option B is the right answer. 9 by 2, that is only one area. But they have asked you to find out the area of the triangle, the whole area of the triangle, not the area with the centroid, with other two vertices. Yes. Next. Question number 8. I think no need to calculate for other point. Just find out one area and make it 3 times. That will give you the whole area. Just find out this area. And the whole area is 3 times of, right? No, they have not asked here the other point. Yeah, if they ask the other point, you can apply, you can write this as A comma B and apply the centroid formula, you will get the answer. Okay. Now, the vertices of a triangle are 6, 0, 0, 6 and 6, 6. These are the 3 points. The distance between its circumcenter and centroid is. First, let me calculate centroid. How to find out centroid? All sum of x coordinates. 6 plus 0 plus 6 divided by 3. 0 plus 6 plus 6 divided by 3. Answer is 12 by 3, that is 4. 12 by 3, that is 4. 4 comma 4 is the centroid. And I told you already how to find out circumcenter. Circumcenter, it is 6, 6. So again, this 6. What is the midpoint of these two? 3, 3. Then what is the distance between 3, 3 and 4, 4? It is root of 4 minus 3 whole square plus 4 minus 3 whole square. It is equal to root 1 plus 1. Option C is the right answer. Root 2. Is that okay? It is asked in 2009 examination. Yeah. In 2008, it was very easy. Yes, centroid is equal to orthocenter when it is a equilateral triangle. In other cases, both are different. Yeah, centroid. 2 plus 8 plus 5 divided by 3, comma 3 plus 10 plus 5 divided by 3. 15 by 3. What is 15 by 3? 5. This is 18 by 3, 6. Option A, correct. that okay? Now let's move on to this problem. 0, minus 1. If I take this as 0, minus 1 point, opposite vertices, they have given that it is opposite vertices, that is 0, 3. Okay. Other two vertices are, how to calculate the other two vertices? Let me take one more line from this to this end to the other end. Right? Okay. Now, you need to take the midpoint of these two lines. What is the midpoint? 0 plus 0 by 2, 0. Minus 1 plus 3 is 2. 2 by 2 is what? 1. This is the midpoint of these 2 points. See here, if you find out this 0, 1 as the midpoint, and these points are in the answer, right? And if you calculate the midpoint, you must get 0, 1 as the midpoint. Let me check with the option A. One minus 3 is minus 2 divided by 2 is minus 1. Option A is not the answer. Okay. Now, option B. Yes, these are the 2 points. Got it? Okay. Next, question number 14. Yeah. Let's start doing the problem based on straight lines now. From till here, the points, the problems which related to the points and the line. Now, the only straight line problems with the equation and the other points. Yeah. The equation of a straight line equally inclined to the axis and equidistance from the point 1, minus 2 and 3, 4 is. So I think you can find out the midpoint of these two, right? What is midpoint of these two? 1 plus 3, 4 by 2 is 2 and 2 by 2 is 1, 2, 1. And check it out, the point which satisfies 2, 1, that is the answer. So the equation of a straight line equally inclined to the axis and equidistant from the points. Here it will be like this. This is a line. They have given these 2 points, 1, minus 2 and 3, 4. I think the midpoint of these two must lies here, right? This is 2, 1. And the point which satisfies this, the line which satisfies this point, that is the answer. Yeah, if I put y value as 1, x value as 2, correct? Option D is the answer. Right? Okay. Next. Just take the midpoint of the given 2 points, that must lies in between, the midpoint of that must lies on the line. The line which satisfies the point 2, 1, that will be your answer. Yeah. Next. Question number 15. Yes, Kavana. Tell me, Kavana. You can unmute and speak. Yes, tell me. Who is that person who raised the hand? Yes, any answers? Option B. Okay. Right, many of them are answer it as B. D. Okay. Yeah, many of them are answering it is option A. Okay, let me solve you this problem, right? Okay. The foot of the perpendicular from the point 2, 4 upon x plus y equal to 4. Let me draw the graph here, then I'll solve this. See here. X-axis and y-axis. Let me write the graph of x plus y equal to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you put y equal to 0, you will get x value as 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is the line. Now, 2, 4. Where is this point 2, 4? This is what the point 2, 4 is. Now, let me check out with the options. 3, minus 1. Where is this 3, minus 1? 3 comma minus 1. Oh, which is not at all on the line. Actually, foot must be lies on the line. So if you check these points, this will not satisfy. 2 comma 2, it will satisfy the equation. 4 0 also satisfies. 1 3 also satisfies. But we need to identify the proper result. Okay. So now, so let me take this 2 comma 2, 2 comma 2 here. Option B. See here, ಯಾರಾದರೂ perpendicular ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಾ ಹೀಗಿದ್ರೆ? It is like this. This is not a perpendicular. Option B is not the answer. 4 comma 0. The 4 comma 0 is there here. Oh, this is also not the perpendicular. And 1 comma 3. See here. This is exactly right. Option D is the answer. Perpendicular. ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಯಾವುದು perpendicular ಅಂತ. Okay. Yes, Chandan, tell me.
Sir, can you repeat, sir?
You have to draw a line x plus y equal to 4. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ನ ಒಂದೊಂದಾಗಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. ನೋಡಿದ್ರೇನೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. 1 comma 3 ಮಾತ್ರ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So this is called foot. And this is called perpendicular. Foot of the perpendicular. Okay. Yeah, if they ask you to find out the image, then you just take the midpoint of those two and you can find the answer. Let me go to that problem only. Yes. We need to calculate the line, correct? So just take the midpoint of these two. 2 plus 4, 6, 6 by 2 is what? 3. 3 plus 1, 4 by 2 is 2. The line which satisfies 3 comma 2, that is the answer. Only option C, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Right? Okay. Now, let me move on to the next problem. Equation of the straight line making equal intercepts. Equation of the straight line making equal intercepts on the axis and passing through the point 2 comma 4. See here. Equation of the straight line making equal intercepts that indicates, remember, x coefficient and y coefficients are equal. If you see this word equal intercept, then remember these two coefficients must be same. What is the answer? Yes. That's it. Got the idea? So the coefficient of x and coefficient of y must be equal for equal intercept. I think we have not read the whole question. For partial data only we have answered it. Okay. Next. Question number 17. A straight line through the point A of 3, 4 is such that its intercept between the axes is bisected at A. Its equation is, no, option C is not the answer. No, because they are telling that it is equal intercept. No. Option B is not the answer. Option C, D no alla, A is the answer. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ತಪ್ಪು ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ರಿ ಒಂದೇ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ. Yes, Rajesh, you can unmute and speak. Okay.
Sir, one second. Sir, please repeat.
ಇನ್ನೂ ಹೇಳೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ತಡಿಯಪ್ಪ, ಇನ್ನು ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನೇ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಬಂತು. ಓಕೆ. A straight line through the point 3, 4 such that its intercept between the axes is bisected at A. ಯಾವತ್ತು ಈ ತರ ಬೈಸೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಎಟ್ ಎ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ 3, 4 ಅಂತ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ y ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪಕ್ಕ ಬರಿಬೇಕು, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ನ y ಪಕ್ಕ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಈ ತರ ಯಾವುದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿ. 4x + 3y ಅಂತ ಯಾವುದಿದೆ? ಯಾವುದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದೆ, ಅದೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಸರ್, ಈಗ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಹಾಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತು 4x + 3y ಅಂತ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಗೆ 3 ಹಾಕಿ, ರೀಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ y by 4. 4 3s are 12, 4 3s are 12, 12 + 12 24 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಯಾವ್ದು ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ? 24 ಬಂದಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಪೀಟೆಡ್, ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? If it is bisected, if it has equal intercept, then x coefficient and y coefficients are equal. If it is bisected at A, then you have to interchange the if it is not bisected, then you have to go for that given condition. You have to read the full question, then you have to decide. Next, question number 18. Yes. Answer question number 18. Yes. Yes, parallel means slopes are equal, correct. Yeah, let me solve this. Which are parallel to. So the equation must be, the slope must be -3 by 4. What are the points which has slope -3 by 4? if I take the slope of this line minus 28 by 21, no, option A is not the answer. You will not get minus 3 by 4. That's it. This is the only line which satisfies the condition. 7 3s are 7 4s are. Option B is the right answer. Question number 20. The distance between the lines. What is the formula for distance between two parallel lines? First thing is that you need to take the parallel lines like this, divide the whole thing by 2 here. So you will get 4x plus 3y minus 15 by 2 is equal to 0. Now you have to take the difference of the constant and divide by root of x coefficient square plus y coefficient square. This will give you the distance between the two parallel lines. Okay. Minus 22 plus 15 is 7 by 2. It is 5 by 1. 7 by 10. Answer. Option D. Okay. Now, let's move on to the next problem. Question number 21. The area of the triangle formed by the line 7x minus y minus 17 equal to 0. I'll tell you the formula. If the line is in this form, to get the area with the coordinate axis is c square by 2ab. Okay, c square by 2ab. What is c square? 17 square divided by 2 into a into b. 289 by 14. Option D is the answer. Remember this. Okay. Question number 22. If I write a line 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, x-intercept is 2, y-intercept is 3. See here, this is x-intercept and this is y-intercept. And they are asking what is the area of this triangle. Area is equal to half into what is base? Base is 2, height is 3. Option A, 3 is the answer. Okay. Now, Question number 23. A line cutting off intercept -3 from the y-axis and the tangent at the angle to the x-axis is 3/5. What is the meaning of this? Tangent of the angle, that is tan theta, is 3/5. Then what is the meaning? Slope is 3/5. Right? Now check it out. What is the slope 3/5 in all the problem? Minus a by b. What is a? It is -3/5. Minus 5/3. Minus of -3/5. See here in option A and C, these two have the slope -3/5 as the slope. And now we have to calculate y-intercept of that. If the y-intercept is -3 in option A and option C, we'll check it out for option A and C here. To get the y-intercept, you just put x equal to 0. If you put x equal to 0, you will get 5y is equal to -15, y equal to -3. Correct? Option A is the right answer. And you will get 3 here. Y-intercept as 3, which is not right because we have to get -3 as y-intercept. So option A is the right answer. Next one, the slope of a line which cuts off intercepts of equal length on the axis. No, root 3 is not the answer. Okay, ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳೋದನ್ನ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. A slope of a line which cuts off intercepts of equal length. ನೋಡಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರುತ್ತೆ equal length ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಬರೋದು ಈ ತರ ಬಂದಾಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ತರ ಬಂದಾಗ. ಈಗ ಎರಡು ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಈ ತರ ಈಕ್ವಲ್. Then we say that, okay, see here, this is also equal. This is -x -y. ಎರಡು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಈ ಎರಡು ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. You will get angle 135 degree here always when these two are equal. 135 degree with the positive x-axis. So then what is the tan theta? It is tan 135 degree. -1. Option A is the answer. Remember, when it is slopes cuts off equal intercept, remember slope is -1. Okay. Next question. Question number 25. The equation of the straight line passing through the point 3, 2 and perpendicular to the line. I will tell you, I'll discuss with you now, just now. I'll explain some concepts. ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ತುಂಬ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಒಂದು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 3-4 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲದೂ ಇದೇ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಹೇಳೋದನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್. ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಇದೆ ಈ ಥರ. ಈ ಲೈನ್ನ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ 3x + 4y + 5 = 0 ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. If you want the parallel line equation, then it is very simple. Just you need to write 3x + 4y. But we don't know the constant. Remember, ಯಾವಾಗ ಇದು ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಲೈನ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ನಮಗೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ? 3x plus 4y plus 5 equal to 0 and 3x plus 4y plus k is equal to 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇದು ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಲೈನ್ x coefficient y coefficient ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಬರೀ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ದಟ್ k ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಒನ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರು ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ if they give you one point which lies on the parallel line, then you just substitute that value here in x and y. K value is minus 7. What is the equation of this line? 3x plus 4y minus 7 equal to 0. This is very simple. This is how we have to calculate. Last on 3-4 years in the bari idra mele questions ide Karnataka CET li. Now if it is perpendicular, I'll explain what if it happens if it is perpendicular. One line itara ide, innond line idike perpendicular agide. Idu enta itkondo 90 degree. If you know this line as 3x plus 4y plus 7 equal to 0 anta yavado one line ide anta itkondo. ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಲೈನ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಇವೆರಡನ್ನೂ ಶಫಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಇಫ್ ಐ ಶಫಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಐ ಗೆಟ್ 4x 3y and change the sign ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ then write down plus k equal to 0. Okay. Now, just interchange x coefficient and y coefficient. Just change the sign plus k. ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಈ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ. Let me take 1,1 only. ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು 1 ಆಯಿತು. k ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ -1 ಬಂತು. Right? So the equation is 4x minus 3y minus 1 equal to 0 is the required line. Okay. Now I tell you the problems which is appeared in the examination. Yes, first let's do this problem. Perpendicular to the line x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. ಏನು ಬರೀತಾರೆ x plus y plus 1 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಎರಡು ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ನ ಖಾಲಿ ಬಿಟ್ಕೋತೀರಾ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕೆ ಬರ್ಕೋತೀರಾ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಇದು ಈ 1 ತಗೊಂಬಂದು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಆಗಿದೆ ಆ 1 ತಂದು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸೈನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಗಿವನ್ 1,2 Sorry, option A is the right answer. Y minus x plus 1. Got it? Yes. Do this problem. (2017) problem ಮಾಡಿ. Equation of the line passing through the point 1,2 and perpendicular to the line y equal to 3x minus 1 is. Just write down properly that equation. 3x minus y minus 1 equal to 0. What is the perpendicular line? 1x plus 3y plus k equal to 0. Whatever it may be, minus 1 or plus 1, just write down plus k. And substitute that point 1 and 2. We will get 7, right? K value equal to -7. Answer is x plus 3y minus 7 equal to 0. Option A is the answer. Okay. 2018 ನೋಡಿ 17 ನೋಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ 2018 ನೋಡಿ ಹೇಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್. ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಓನ್ಲಿ ದ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇಸ್ ಕೆ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ -2 and 3. -6 -12. K value is 18. ಹೀಗೆ 18 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ರೈಟ್? ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ, ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ. -18 ಈ ಕಡೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದಾಗ +18 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ got it? 3x - 4y + 18 = 0. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 2019 ಆರಾಮ್ಸೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಈಗ ತಾನೇ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು 2019 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಎಲ್ಲ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. 135 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ -1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಥೀಟಾ 135 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. Let me come back to the problems. Yes, do this problem. Question number 28. Yes, Karthik.
Sir, how to find for parallel, sir? Where we have to put the values x and y?
For the same thing, x ಮತ್ತು y ಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಷ್ಟೆ. The line passes through 2, 2 perpendicular to the line. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಕಂಡಿಡ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ವೈನ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ 1 ಈ ಕಡೆ 3 ಈ ಕಡೆ, ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್. +k = 0. 2 ಹಾಕಿ, ಎಕ್ಸಿಗೆ 2 ಹಾಕಿ, ವೈಗೆ 2 ಹಾಕಿ. ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು? 2 - 6 + k = 0. k ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? -4 + k = 0. k = 4. ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್? x - 3y + 4 = 0. ರೈಟ್? ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಕೇಳಿದಾರೆ ಅವರು? y ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು? y ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ x ಗೆ 0 ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? -4/-3, 4/3. y ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 0. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ 2015 ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಇತ್ತೀಚೆಗೆ ಬರುವ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್. ತುಂಬಾ ಈಸಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ,
ಟೈಮ್ ಅಪ್ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ. Question number 27. I have another 2 to 3 problems. Let me complete. Right. A straight line passes through 5, 0 and 0, 3. ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಇದೆಯಂತೆ ವಿಚ್ ಪಾಸಸ್ ಥ್ರೂ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 5 ಇದು 3 ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದಟ್ ಲೈನ್ x / 5 x intercept, y / 3 is equal to 1. If you cross multiply this, you get 3x + 5y - 15 = 0 as the equation. The length of the perpendicular from the point 4, 4 in the length of the perpendicular ಬೇಕಂತೆ. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗ? You need to write a equation of a line like this. Divide by square root of bracket ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 25. Okay, and you have to substitute that point. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 4 3 4s are 12 20 20 minus 5 5 5 plus 12 17. D is equal to 17 divided by root 34. 17 divided by root 17 into root 2. Root 17 za. Root 17 by 2 answer. Okay. 27 ago. Yeah. Question number 25. The equation of a straight line passing through the point 3, 2 perpendicular to the line x minus y equal to 0 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದಲ್ವಾ. ನಾವು ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಲೈನ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬರ್ಕೋತೀರಾ, ಎರಡು ಶಫಲ್ 1 ಮತ್ತೆ 1 ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ಲಸ್ k equal to 0. Substitute these 2 points. k ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, -5 ಆಯ್ತು. ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಏನು, x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. Option B is the right answer. Okay. ನೋಡಿ. What is slope of the first line m1 minus 2 by 3? What is slope of the second line m2 minus 1 by k? ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಎರಡು perpendicular. What is the condition for perpendicular lines? m1 into m2 equal to -1. ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಇದು? minus 2 by 3 minus 1 by k is equal to -1. k ಆ ಕಡೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ minus 2 by 3 ಆನ್ಸರ್. m1 into m2 equal to -1. If you apply this formula, you will get the answer. Okay. Last problem. The point of intersection of the straight lines given by the equation. ನೋಡಿ ಯಾವ ತರ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ತರ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಎರಡು ಲೈನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಯಾವುದು, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಇದರ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ, I'll tell you how to write. ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಕಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಾರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಒಂಥರ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ಒಂದು ಐಡಿಯಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಹೌ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ go home after film. Amitabh Bachchan handsome hero, h square ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ, ಅಭಿಷೇಕ್ ಬಚ್ಚನ್ handsome hero. ಓಕೆ ಏನ್ರ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾಯ್ತರ? to remember this formula, the point of intersection. How fast boys girls go home after film. Amitabh Bachchan handsome hero, Abhishek Bachchan handsome hero. So remember the denominator. Yeah. So if you know this formula, you can apply all these values and get the answer. Okay. And one more thing is that in CET, the point which satisfies this equation, that is the answer. Okay. So the point that satisfies this equation is option B. You can check it out by putting x and y, 2 and -1. You can get the answer, right? This is all about for today's class. We have solved all the questions in straight lines. Yeah. And I hope you enjoyed the class. And if there any feedback you want to give, you can give now. Yes. The next chapter is conics. Yeah, that will take up in the next week. 2 more weeks are there. We'll discuss about circles, parabola, ellipse, and hyperbola. Yes, you can ask your respective WhatsApp group. They will share you the material. Yeah. Yes, thank you so much.
So close ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
Yes, yes.
Yes, I can go, sir. ನಾನು ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Students, leave the session. Students, leave the session. ಯಾಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಲೀವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Students, leave the session. Vinuta, leave the session.